Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can buy some stocks for long term in Zerodha Kite. In order to continue with this video, you need a trading account with Zerodha and also you need a Demat account. Check out the description box for more details. Now the first thing that we do is we will make sure that we have enough funds in the trading account. So here I have logged into Zerodha Kite and we will click on this funds and we can see the funds available in here. I have around 20,000 rupees in here. I'm going to be buying stocks around 1.5 to 2,000 rupees. So this fund is enough. Now the next thing that you have to do is you have to select the stock that you want to buy. Here I'm going to buy ITC. Now what we do is we will add ITC to this watch list. So here I'm going to search for ITC and we have the ITC stock available from NSE and BSE. I'm going to select NSE. If you want, you guys can select BSE also. We have the options to buy the stocks. We can click on this B button which says buy and the buy window will appear. We can enter the details and we can buy stocks. I'm going to cancel that now. And here we have other options like we can open up a chart. I'm going to open up the chart here by clicking on this button and the chart will appear. And after that, by clicking on this pop-out chart button, I'm gonna make sure that the chart appears in a separate window where we can see, a chart in a bigger screen. And here, if you click on this icon, then a small window appears. Again, we can see buy and sell options. Now here we can buy the stock by pressing on this buy button, or we can go back here in this watch list and we can buy the stock by clicking on this B button, buy button. Same window will appear. Okay. Now here I'm gonna click on this buy. Now here first thing that we look for is from which exchange we want to buy the stock. You guys can select NSE or BSE. I'm gonna select NSE in here, and after that, which type of order we want to place. Here I'm gonna place a regular order, and then we have the options to buy the stock for intraday or long term. When we buy stock for intraday, we have to sell that stock in that particular day. But if we go for long term, then whenever we want, we can sell the stock. For example, if I want to sell the stock today only, then I can do that. Or if I want to sell the stock after 10 years, I'll be able to do that. Here, since we are buying for long term, I'm going to select long term in here. And after that, we need to enter the quantity, how many quantity that we want to buy. Here, I'm going to say 10 quantity. And then the price, whether we want to buy at a particular price or whether we want to buy it at whatever the price available in the market. Now here, if I choose market, then we don't have to enter the price, because at whatever the price people are selling in the market, we can buy for that particular price. Or if you want to buy it for a particular price, then you can select limit, enter your price. If someone is selling for that particular price, then only you will be able to buy the stock. Here, I'm going to go for market. And then here we can see margin required, which is nothing but how much amount we need to buy this much quantity of this particular stock. Here, I'm buying ITC. So to buy 10 quantity, I need around 2,217 rupees. If you click on this refresh button, it will change. That's because we are buying at market price. The market price has changed now. Now here, this much margin should be available in your funds. Okay. After that, we can click on the buy. Order will be placed and it will be executed. Now here we can see positions and we can see the ITC stock that we have bought right now. And it was executed at 221 rupees and 45 paise. Now we're going to go back to this dashboard. And here, when we buy stocks, it will appear in the positions window for that particular day. And here you guys can see we are buying it for holding, and it is a CNC order, which is nothing but cash and carry order, because we are paying all the money for the stocks. From the next trading day, the stocks that you have bought today will appear in the holdings section. So here you guys can see some of the stocks that I have bought before. and then you will be able to see some details. If you want, you can sell your holding from this holdings tab. So you have the options here. So if you take the cursor on the stock name, then you will see 3 dots. If you click on that, you have the option to exit the stocks. You will be able to sell your holding. But make sure that if you have not provided power of attorney, then you have to authenticate by using the CDSL TPIN method. Okay, that's it guys. This is how we can buy stocks in Zerodha Kite for long term. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.